Today I'm going to talk about a tuple in Python, right? So what is tuple in Python and its feature and why we use that, right? So please see this video till the end, because in the end of this video I will tell something you don't know about it, right? So what is tuple? Let's get started. Suppose tuple is equal to, this is the tuple, right? Parentheses. Now I will write the numbers, right? This is the tuple. How I can know about it that this is the tuple? Then I will write the name of then I will write the print function, then I will type it. Now I will run this program, will get class, right? So now let's see the definition. Tuple is used to store multiple values in a single variable, right? Tuple is an ordered collection of elements, right? Tuples can store multiple values, right? Tuples are immutable, right? We will talk about them in the next video, right? So it is very important, right? Tuples are written in round brackets, right? So this is the syntax of tuple. A tuple is equal to 10, 20, 30, right? Now if you want to write the 4 elements, right? Suppose names equal to, you can store the string values in the tuple, right? Suppose mango, right? Then I will write the name of, you must use the comma to separate the elements of tuple, right? This is the tuple, right? Now I will print on the screen, you will get what? This is the tuple, right? Now if you want to and also tuple can store the mixed data type, right? Mixed data. This is the number, right? This is the string, right? And this is the float value, right? This is all about the tuple in Python, right? Now I will tell about why do we use tuples, right? We can use the tuples to store multiple values together when we want to data, right? Data to remain unchanged, right? That is why we are going to use the tuple, right? In the next video, we will talk about why tuples are in order